All right, so this is how to start an eBay dropshipping business step by step. Going into this next year or whenever you're watching this, this is still a viable model. And the reason why is because I got an automation store. And I'm just going to pretty much just show you all the results of what we got. So let's keep this simple. It's 7 steps. The first step when you're just getting started is just for any business. Like, why do you want to get started with eBay dropshipping? Do you want to make more money, create cash flow, earn cash for a more upgraded lifestyle, create more time to do non-business related activities, increase independence and flexibility? Do you want to have more time with family in the future? Do you want to actually build a real company? So this is just a stepping stone. I think eBay dropshipping is a great stepping stone. Can't promise that you're going to make millions, but you can build off of this. Just like the automation company that is doing a whole they have a whole ecosystem of helping hundreds of clients running eBay stores. They're also doing the Amazon FBA automation model. So kind of figuring out and evaluating why for a lot of people, they just get started, especially this model is just to make more money or just create cash flow. Even if it's a few $100s per month and it's a cash flowing asset and it's teaching you how to be disciplined and really learn business. So you got to really evaluate why you even want to get started. And again, this is not really a brand builder. This is more for just, again, some cash flow. And then maybe it could be a stepping stone to become a brand builder, build a real company, maybe help other people so you could diversify and scale. But really got to understand why you want to get started. Cool. Step 2 is the setup. You want to obviously start an eBay store. You want to get an LLC. And I don't give legal advice for any of this. You got to report taxes each month. This is what happens with ecom. And there's a lot of different bookkeeping services, tax services that can help you do this each month. You have to have the software set up, and I'm going to show you the softwares. And then you want to make sure that you create supplier accounts. So this is the setup. If you've already had an eBay store, it's going to be a lot easier to grow and scale right away because eBay's seeing that you've been selling consistently here and there. But then you're going to have to start slow to scale it up. So I've been doing this since, I started eBay dropshipping in 2017, purchased a course, learned about it, and then these same guys, they were doing like an automation system, and they launched that, and I said, you know what, I'm in. So back in 2022, December, launched this, and again, going to show you guys some results from this. So this is the setup. This is the quick, simple checklist to get set up. Start an eBay store, get an LLC, report taxes each month, softwares, and then create supplier accounts. Cool. This is the simple setup. Now, I'm going to show real quick what monthly expenses are and the softwares that you need. So obviously, and I should probably add this, there's the eBay, depending if you do the store. Okay. And then AutoDS, which is, I'm going to show you guys what AutoDS is, which is $33.80. As I'm sharing this video, this is what I've been paying each month. And then this other one called Get and Ship, and this actually helps you with getting credits so that you can do tracking. Cool. Especially because you're going to be doing the drop shipping method. Some other ones that you may need in the future as you're growing. 3 Colts. This one's actually a really great platform. They have so many different things. The reason why they purchased this is for Scout IQ, and that's $14 a month. This is just to do more research for products. Zik Analytics is the same thing. It's paying about $29.99. Again, these things aren't needed, but would be great for scale. Amazon Prime, because you're going to be fulfilling from there. This is just going to be one of them, and this is a yearly subscription. And then Contabo, this is because we had VAs working from a different country. So eBay, when you log in or when you fulfill like on Amazon, they track. They actually track like where the logins are. So then we did it all on a server. And Contabo is that. It's around a 30, maybe a little bit more, a little less, depending on which plan you get. But yeah, this is like the simple setup. They asked me to get a few other things, but honestly, I don't want to overcomplicate this. This is just getting set up, and just this alone enough is going to get you to where the results that I was getting, which is a few $100s in profit per month. That's after everything. Cool. So these are the software. So let's talk about AutoDS. All right, so this is AutoDS, and this is actually the first half of the year of what we did revenue-wise, profit-wise, and again, this is after everything was calculated. And again, this is kind of like what you expect. I never want to oversell it, but this is what to expect, especially as you're slowly scaling up your store. You want to make sure that you're just doing a good amount per month. Okay, so this is the dashboard, and then we have our orders here. If you guys want to, what I'm going to do is, if you end up getting like my link, I'll give you guys all the orders that we did all year, or most of the year actually, from this list right here all the way up till November, and just kind of showing you guys what that looks like. But yeah, this is it. There's also sourcing requests that you could do. Talks about also the products. So this is such a great tool all around. That's going to do a lot of the heavy lifting when it comes to your automation eBay dropshipping store. Cool. Number 4, sourcing and finding products. So these are the suppliers they had us sign up for under that email: Zoro, Overstock, Walmart, get a Walmart business, Home Depot, and then Amazon account. And then we also had multiple Amazon accounts. So Amazon 1, Amazon 2, they just did this for extra security. So I had different ones. Again, different. It was more for scalability. Cashback. These are great to have. You might as well, because if you're going to be doing products online, I think this is at Rakuten right here. So get cashback on sites. So Rakuten, you can see this, the Chrome extension, and then Be Frugal. So these are great cashback, because if you're already going to be spending money online, might as well increase your profit margins right here. Cool. I was getting checks from Rakuten all year, which is super cool. Just super cool to have that. So sourcing and finding products, these are the suppliers. The main ones that they've been using has been Amazon, Walmart, some Overstock, but a majority of them has been Amazon as a supplier. Number 5, fulfilling products. So you want to make sure that you have a leverage system to fulfill products when purchased. I'm going to be giving you guys an eBay dropshipping calculator, and I'll drop that in the description below. This is what they used, and just so you guys know how to use this: date, when it's sold, product name. This can be great for tax purposes. Product cost, sales price per shipping. So you got to input all these. And obviously there's an eBay fee. There's taxes too. What is the supplier's tax? So just to make sure that you're actually making profit. And then all the information that's needed. So they fill out all this. You don't have to fill out the ones that have these dashes. So cost of goods, gross profit, eBay fee. These will automatically populate as you add these in. So you only got to do the blank ones. Cool. So you guys can have this free eBay dropshipping calculator example for free. I'll drop that below for you guys staying this long. So you need a leverage system for fulfilling products. Customer service, common questions, returns. These are kind of just the things that obviously customers are going to ask. There's going to be a lot of common questions, and you'll see common questions for specific products over and over and over again. So make sure you save those. And then there's going to be returns that you have to be able to fulfill on that. People are like, oh, I don't like it. So what ends up happening is you have it to where you have an address that gets that these returns get shipped to. Cool. And that's all part of the customer service process. 7 is scale. So if you guys ever want to scale this, this is exactly the operation they have. They have VAs that do pieces and parts of it, from sourcing products, finding products, customer service, fulfilling, adding into the eBay dropshipping calculator. So you got to hire someone to source, hire someone to fulfill, hire someone for customer service. Once you can do all that, get a VA. And once you start making a good amount of income, and again, I was making X amount because of the I gave them a percentage per month for the profit. So yeah, if you just did this all in-house, I believe you'll be able to scale this even greater. So yeah, those are the simple 7 steps. And just some bonuses for you guys staying. Grab the free dropshipping calculator. I'll give that to you guys in the description. And if you end up signing up for like my AutoDS affiliate, just because if I give everyone these products that watch this, those products are going to go out. But if you want these, a handful of y'all, to get my list that's sold over 10K, just sign up for that affiliate. I'll drop it below, and I'll drop the email in the description of what to email me once, and then you have to send me your email when you sign up of what the email is, so that I can give that to you. Just want to do that because of the low barrier of entry, and I want to make sure if people are trying to just get ideas of like winning products and just study that list. You don't have to take every product that's sold, but look at them and just see if it's like, okay, I get it, and you're studying the patterns of what's sold. And then last thing is, if you have any questions in the comment section, just drop it, and I'll either directly answer you in the comment section with your questions, or I'll create future videos on this channel. And you could look, I did a dropshipping video for Amazon back in 2019. That thing grew. I think it's like at 70K views. And I did a lot of eBay dropshipping videos. I even have my old dropshipping calculator. This is the newest one. So you guys can have that below just for sticking around. There's a lot with this business model. I highly recommend it for beginners, people wanting to break in, learn how to make income, leverage credit card. Because again, you think about all the credit cards fees that I also accrued, and the credit card points because of those fees. So there's a lot of upsides to this business model, and it was just a great cash flow business for me. So this is how to start it. Again, questions below, resources in the description. Like this, share this with a friend if you guys enjoyed. I'll see you guys next video. Take care. Bye-bye.